4.B.6 al-wasila wills. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu shahadatu bainakum idha hadara hadakumul mautu hinal wasiyat dhawan minkum aw qaran min غيركم من أنتم daramtum bil ardi fasabakum musibatum maut tahbisunahuma min ba'di salati fi yuqsimani billahi in irtamtum la nashtari bihi thamanan walau kana dha qurba wala naktumu shahadatallahi inna idha laminna lathimin in Uthirana mastahapa ithman fakaran yaquman maqama umma min alladhina stahaqa alayhim. Surah 5, 8, 106 to 108. O ye believers, when one of you is about to meet his death, requests the testimony at the time he wishes to make his will of two honorable persons from amongst you, or to others chosen from without. If the calamity of death fall him on a journey, detain these witnesses after the service, and if you suspect them, let them swear by God the following: we will not sell our testimony to reap some benefit therefrom, though it were a profit to one of our relatives, nor shall we hide our testimony, because this is asked of us before God. Literally, we will not hide God's testimony. A lot of these things, something and then God's name. I don't remember the order in the thing here, but belonging to God according, then verily we should be criminals if it be asserted that these two witnesses are guilty, they deserve sin, then let two yuqsimani billahi la shahadatuna ahaqqu min shahadatim wa ma tadina inna idhala minna zalimin Malakana yatu bishahadate ala wajha yakafu anturanda imanun bada imanim wana kula wasmanu wallahu la yahdil qawmal fasiqin. Faman badalahu badama sami'ahu fannama ithmuhu ala alladhina yubadilunahu innallaha sami'un alim. Faman khafa min nusan janaban aw ithman بينهم فلا إثم عليه إن الله غفور رحيم. Others taken amongst those who have a right to be regarded as the nearest of kin to the testator. Interpretation given by the commentators of this obscure passage. Well, obscure and maybe this person doesn't quite know the language, stands up in their place and take an oath as follows. God knows that our testimony is truer than theirs, and that we do not violate truth, for then should we surely be numbered with the unjust. This is the best means of obtaining a testimony according to the purport thereof, in that the people fear lest an oath be given, be disproved by other oaths, fear and listen to God. God shows not the way to perverse people. Well, God guides, but they're not taking in the guidance, right? Surah 2, ayat 181 and 182. Oh, he who perverts the will, he has heard. The blame for this alteration falls always on those who have been guilty thereof, for God does hear and know all. He who fears from the testator an injustice or a wrong intention, and favors a transaction between the heirs, will commit no sin. God is clement and merciful.